If you need to change the currency in Epic Games, this video will walk you through it step by step in the easiest way possible. Whether your account is showing the wrong region, the wrong store currency, or you simply moved to a new country, I'll show you exactly what to do so you can update it the right way. And if this guide helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Epic Games launcher on your computer and sign into the account you want to update. Once you're inside the launcher, look for your profile icon, usually in the top corner. Click on that profile icon, and from the menu that appears, select Account. This will open your Epic Games account page in your web browser. Now that you're on the web page, scroll down until you find the Personal Details section. This is where Epic Games keeps important account information like your name, email, and country settings. Look next to the country field, and you should see a pencil icon. Click that pencil icon to edit your country information. At this point, the process depends on whether you have already made a purchase on the account or not. If you have made a purchase before, Epic Games may show a separate pencil icon related to your billing or region settings. Click on that pencil icon, and it should take you to a new page with additional region options. On that page, scroll down until you see a blue text link that says Here. Click on the Here link, and Epic Games will automatically detect your location and update the settings based on that region. If you have not made a purchase yet, the process is much simpler. You can just select your country from the list, and Epic Games will automatically update your currency based on the country you choose. In most cases, the store currency will refresh after you save the change, and you should start seeing the correct currency in the Epic Games Store. If the update does not appear right away, try refreshing the page or logging out and back in again. Sometimes, account region changes need a moment to fully apply. Also, make sure the country you select is actually the one you're currently in, because Epic Games uses this information to determine your store currency and available payment options. And that's it. You've now learned how to change currency in Epic Games using the account settings and country options. It only takes a few minutes once you know where to click, and it can save you a lot of confusion when shopping in the store. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.